Hello to anyone who could be watching this. This is my last purchase from eBay, and this should contain the INCIPIO 9. This is a Rolex Explorer 1655 homage watch, which I purchased on eBay. So it was sent to me by the Red Summertime 13, the seller, and it arrived really fast. And we are talking about receiving this watch on Wednesday, the 27th of April. So you can see that the box, I didn't touch it. This is the Royal Mail special delivery, like next day delivery box in perfect condition. So it was very well packaged. Let us see if there is a watch inside. So the watch will be well, apart from being a homage watch, it's also a pretty old homage. It's over 30 years since it's been made by a Japanese watch magazine, Takei Begin. So Begin, like spelled in Latin, and Takei is Japanese for watch. So it was a watch built up by Japanese vintage Rolex watch lovers for the subscribers of their magazine, and it was manufactured in Switzerland on request by the said magazine for their readers. So what is this? So this is half left. So there is a replacement bracelet, but there is also the original one in this package. Oh, let us see if there's the watch. And there is the watch. Quite a big old packaging paper, but here is the watch. First time in my hands, and well, this is what I was expecting I would get. Well, it does say INCIPIO, and this is definitely a Rolex 1655 Explorer look-alike watch. So they use the general design of Rolex in making of this watch. This is the original INCIPIO buckle. No, this is a replacement bracelet. This replacement bracelet. I want to see if I have the original, if there is the original one, because INCIPIO has this seashell. Well, I wonder how close I can get to my camera lens. They have the seashell logo, which in some way represents kind of Rolex crown type logo. I will try winding the watch just to see if it works or not. But let us see what else is in. So this is the original bracelet. I want to show you the buckle of the original bracelet. So this is the original bracelet. I just want to take off this wrapper to show you. This is a 30-year-old watch. So this is the kind of condition that a 30-year-old bracelet is in. So I'm quite happy that I got a new bracelet. I doubt that this is the original bracelet, because the buckle should have the INCIPIO shell logo on it, on the top of the buckle. So I don't know if it is the original bracelet. This one, oh, let us. So nothing else really in the box. but nothing else comes with the watch. We agreed that there will be the watch itself. Okay, let us try winding it, giving it a wind. So it winds very well. This should have the ETA 2893 movement, and the watch has been wound. It's an automatic movement, so I will have experience with wearing it. It looks great, and it is fairly thin for a GMT watch. It is, they say this is the best 1655 Explorer homage watch. So I wound it up. Let us give it so we are at 11 almost exactly. So I'm changing the time, so we are almost at 11, 2 minutes to 11. Nice, I like this. And this should give us the adjustment of the quick. So we are in the second crown position. So this should have a quick GMT hand, and so this is the date adjustment. I'm gonna quickly run it up. Today is 27th, and this is the adjustment of the GMT hand. So it doesn't have usual GMT function. It doesn't have the adjustment of the local time. It has the adjustment of the quick date adjustment. So I'm gonna set it up to the 17th, and it has the adjustment, independent adjustment of the GMT hand. So this is the specifics of the ETA GMT movements. So this is the 2893, a thinner version of the GMT ETA movement. So I've set it up to 26, and now I'm gonna adjust the time and get the date change in the third position. So we shall see if originally I set up the correct daytime, or I've set it up to, we're still on the 26th, so I'm rotating it to get to 27. So originally I set it up wrong. 26, now it's 27, and now I will go to 11 a.m. Just 1 minute to 11. Okay, the watch is ready for use. I was expecting something pretty much like I've got, and it is not bad. It's a good condition for a 30-year-old watch, and I want to get my experience of wearing it. Let us see if I need to adjust the bracelet. I might need to put in 1 or maybe 2 links. Let us see if it fits on my wrist. I don't have a huge wrist. 18 centimeters, 7-inch wrist. You know what? I don't need to adjust the bracelet. I can just wear the watch as it is. I like the watch. I immediately liked the watch. I wanted to get this watch because, like the new Black Bay Pro, this is based on this Rolex Explorer, the 1655, the Steve McQueen Rolex Explorer, and it is fairly thin, as you see. It sits on the wrist because it has quite a good ETA 2892 movement. So I think this is a gorgeous, well, the original design of course belongs to Rolex, but this is a gorgeous design of a watch inspired by the Rolex Explorer, the homage, real limited edition, because there were about 500 of these made for the readers of the Takei Begin magazine in Japan. So I'm liking it. I'll be wearing it for the next couple of days to get an experience, and I will do a review video of this watch. So this was the unboxing of the INCIPIO Explorer 2 1655 homage watch for you. Thanks for watching.